told you about calling me mom. Call me Queenie. Gangsters make the world go. Boom, 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 boom. Hey, it's your girl NOLAROYALQUEENIE and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited that you guys decided to stop in and chill with your girl again today. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a super cute look featuring all the lip bar products. If you're interested, then keep on watching. But first, if you're new here, I want you to go ahead and click that subscribe button and don't forget to click that bell so that you can be notified when I post a new video. Alright you guys, just so you know, I am a lip bar affiliate and you can find the link to all of the products that I'm going to be using in today's video in my description box below. But don't forget to use code NOLAROYALQUEENIE to save 10% off. Now let's get into this video. Y'all just don't know, the lip bar obsession is so real for me. Look at some of my products. Do you guys see this? This is insane. This is literally insane. Look at this. Just like, tell me I'm obsessed. Tell me. Just tell me. I know it. I absolutely love the fact that they pair super cute colors together to take all of the thinking out for you. The packaging is also super durable, easy to carry in your travel bag or your purse for easy access. Their products also come in a variety of shades because you know our skin tone changes during the seasons, girl. The lip bar has you covered. And let us not forget about these easy to use dispensers and the variety of products to pair with. Alright you guys, so you know the routine. So first I'm starting with clean skin. Next I'm going to tone and moisturize. If you want the best out of your makeup products, it's very important that you have a healthy skincare routine. First I'm going to start off this look with the Lip Bar's Skin Set Primer. That's gliding on so smoothly. My T-zone gets really oily, so next I'm going to be using the Lip Bar's Set the Tone Finishing Powder in the shade Golden Girl. Next I'm going to be using the Lip Bar's Skin Serum Foundation. I'm going to be taking the darker shade in the contour position of my face. Taking the lighter shade in the highlight parts of my face. Next, I'm going to blend this foundation out with a wet sponge. Next, I'm going to take the Lip Bar's Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Black Brown. Eyebrows, I'm going to be using the Lip Bar's Quick Conceal Caffeine Concealer in the shade Honey. same concealer, I'm going to highlight my T-zone. Next, I'm going to contour using the Lip Bar's Quick Conceal Caffeine Concealer in the shade Mocha. Now I'm going to set this contour using the Lip Bar's Set the Tone Finishing Powder. Next, I'm going to bronze using the Lip Bar's Fresh Glow Bronzer in the shade Direct Deposit. I'm going to use the Lip Bar Stuntin' Palette in the shade Bling Bling. Now I'm going to take this super cute shade, the Lip Bar's Fresh Glow Bronzer in the shade Wine and Dine. Alright, for my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Lip Bar's Ebony Eyes Eyeshadow Palette. And also kind of blend in that corner to make sure you don't have any harsh lines. Using my quick concealer, I'm going to put a little bit in the corners of my eyes. Now I'm going to blend that in. Now I'm going to use the shade Golden. Now I'm taking a clean brush. I'm going to use the shade Goddess. Clean that up just a little. Next, I'm going to highlight under my eyebrow using my Stuntin' Palette in the shade So Icy. Next, I'm going to seal in my eyebrows using the Lip Bars eyebrow gel. I seriously forgot to do this step. Better late than never. Next, I'm going to use the Lip Bars Straight Outta Patience eyeliner. Take what's left of the shade Nubia and then add it with a little bit of So Icy. Now I'm going to use the Lip Bars Lash Flash Straightening Mascara over my false eyelashes. Next, I'm going to line my lips with the Lip Bars Quick Draw Pencil. The Lip Bars Liquid Lipstick in the shades Boss Lady and Hot Mess. Lip bar look. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you're interested in any of the products that I used on today, check out the description box below for the link, and don't forget to use code NOLAROYALQUEENIE. See you guys in the next video. Alright, so can you turn off the lights so I can take a break from these lights, please? I'm gonna die.